All right, I've got a nice John Deere Z465 62-inch deck. This is a John Deere, so the deck has different grades and they're all stamped. Even the full-blown commercial ones are stamped. The top-level commercial ones are green, or have always been green in the past. And if you're looking at this, you can see the thickness on this deck right here is way thicker. The gauge of that steel is way thicker than what you're used to on an average like homeowner mower. So this is between homeowner and like heavy duty commercial. It's somewhere in between. Still got the nice wide stance on the front and on the back. You can see the wheels back there are nice and wide. The oversized cushiony seat, large fuel tank just like the commercial ones, and then it's got the upgraded Kawasaki 24 horsepower motor on it compared to like a homeowner version. So this is as heavy duty as a homeowner could go without being considered one of their commercial units. Still really fast, good blade tip speed. Definitely a huge jump up from an average homeowner mower. And with that 62 inches, it can cover some ground real quick. Only 600 hours on this one. I'll fire it up. Got to have your e-brake on. No smoke, no bad vibrations or anything like that. I'll idle it down for you. Grab it back up. Deck height adjustment on this one is the arm with the handle here. You just pinch that and drop it down to wherever you've got your pin. I think I've got that low enough to show some grass cut real good. The e-brake has to be down to be able to operate the arms on it. Go ahead and engage the blade. See the deck nice and smooth. It's not squealing or rattling or anything that it shouldn't be doing. Like I said, this is a pretty quick mower. Really good ground speed. I'll show you up ahead there how far I'm about to go. Engage the blades for you. Good mower right here, ready to go.